Hello, today we're going to be picking this brass lock. If you remember, this is the lock I found. That was like the shackle was just covered in pure rust. The body was covered in muck, grease, you name it, everything, bits of paint, bits of wet weld splatters all over it, where somebody must have been welding next to it and it splattered all over it. I managed to polish it all down. So if you watched the last video, I was telling you I couldn't get it open. The reason I couldn't get it open for is because I was tensioning in the wrong direction. Obviously I forgot that some padlocks will turn only one way, where some other padlocks will turn both directions. So obviously this morning I tried and popped it open. First time took us about 3.5 minutes. I looked at the lock, obviously because I was curious. It's a 5-pinner. I don't know what's inside the lock yet. Second time took us, it opened with it under a minute. So this is a third attempt. So let's see if I can get this in quicker. Probably with the camera on now, probably jinxed myself up. But like I say, I've got to tension it this way because this keyway may not may not look tight, but it is very, very tight keyway. So anyway, let's start from the back. Then we'll just see if we can go on to pin 5. Light tension. You see, light tension is what I prefer the best. Because some people think when they hear them loud clicks when I'm picking, it's because I'm using heavy tension. It isn't. It's because what I think it is, it's because I'm using a shorter pick and I've got most of my hand around the pick, so obviously more power is going into the pin and that's how it's clicking, I think. Well, that's, like I say, I could be purely wrong. I could be purely wrong. But like I say, let's see if we can get this open. We're just getting a slight turn in the car when I touch number 3. Be a good little lock for a challenge lock, this probably is. But it definitely isn't no Tesla lock. Pin 3 has slipped off. Just try one again. 1, 2, 3. Counter rotation. Try 4. And then we'll try 5. Pick on red. I want to pin 3 now. I am going back to 2. Then now we've gone to the default set. Try number 2 again. Come on, come on. I believe it's 2 or 3. Come on. Right, gives a look. That was counter rotation on 1, so number 1's definitely got a spill. Now we'll go to open. I'm getting it open. It was that number 1 all the time. It was basically the lock was open. I just needed number 1 pushing right up. Just have a drink of my coffee and let's go. Let's see what's inside of this here. Right, let's see what's inside that. As you can see there, I'll take the tension wrench out. There we go. There you go, picked. And there's your, so put some light on the subject. See a little screw at the bottom. Let's see what in here. Let's stop messing about and let's see what's inside this thing here. Let's see what's in here. It's brass. Brass, yes. Stick that there for a minute. As you can see, look. 5-pinner, all brass, no namer. Let's get this thing popped, and like I showed you before. Where this one, oh, it doesn't do it. Sometimes it locks up. You want to stop so you can get the pin thing off. So I'm going to have to be double careful with this one. Let's just stick that there for a minute. Get this clip off. Oh, that's a bendy one, so that's one good thing about it. Straight off, no problemo. Now to turn that back round, pins that way. Sorry about that, zoom that down, zoom out a tad. Right, let's see if we can cut this way, maybe let's get it done this. Perfecto. Right, let's get these dumped out. Standard brass. Right there, just want to check something. Ah, the brass pins. Brass pins. All brass. Come here. No, that didn't go on that one. That one. That one. Let's have a look at the core. No, all box standard. As you can see, it's all box standard. There's your keyway. Right, so them are brass. Let's see what's upstairs. These hands. Let's see what's in here. Which way? I'll do it that way. Brass spool. That's a nice spool, that like. These. Wait, I'll check it. Yeah, everything's brass. The full lot is just pure made of brass. Just do it the easy way. Do it the easy way, I mean. I might put a couple of GG drivers in this, just to make it a bit more exciting. I'll just leave it the way it is, because like I see, it's quite a nice little pick once you get used to it. Right, because look at the core. Nah, nothing in the core. Nothing. Right, here we go. Lock finally dusted. Just a basic 5-pinner, and it's just pure made of brass. That's all it is. No brass, yes. Alright, I'll zoom that in. Just a bit further up. Further up. There, about there, do. Where's my pick, what I used? There's the lock there. Right, there we go. At the bottom, as you can see, we have all standard key pins. At the top, we have in number 1, we have a spool. In number 2, a standard. Number 3, a spool. Then number 4, a spool. And number 5, a standard. That's me tweezers. And the toes, the nice spools, them like. Very nice spools. And focus. There you go. That's the spills that was in them. And tell you what it is. I just want to try something. It's 2 minutes. Let's put the key pins in and see how effective they really were. It's just, I remember seeing Potty doing this. I was wanting to do this ages and ages and ages ago. Damn it. I wanted to do this ages and ages ago. Just to see how effective the spools and all the rest of it would be. Try this a minute. Let's have a look. 1 spool, 2 spools. 2 seconds, I want to show you something. Might as well waste a bit more time just to see how effective these really were inside the lock. That last one's a bit balancing act. And we'll raise the camera up and zoom it out. It's obviously better when you zoomed out. There we go. And as you can see, look, that's what they would have been like inside. Focus. See that? So you've got obviously 1 look spool that's deep right in. Number 2, the standard, that's a quarter of way in. Number 3 spools would have caught. Number 4 spool definitely would have done the job. And obviously that one, look how deep that is, not very deep. So there you go. So there you go, a brass padlock found. It's going to be cleaned, cleaned all up and all that. Maybe change the key bitting round to make it a bit harder to pick. And that's your key weight. And thanks for watching. Bye.